Welcome to the official release video for the Advanced Trading Course Vol.1. Please watch the whole video if you are interested in this course, since there are many details you need to understand about the course structure before making an educated decision to purchase it. The Advanced Trading series is going to be the most detailed, comprehensive, and unique trading course available online and offline for that matter. And it's tailored for people who are serious about learning how to trade. If you are looking for some sort of shortcut or easy trick, you may want to look for something else. Even though this is an advanced course, it's beginner friendly. I made sure to explain difficult ideas in the simplest way they can be explained. So if you are a beginner that wants to embark on the right path, you are more than welcome. You also don't need any prerequisites in advanced mathematics. All the concepts are clearly explained in the lessons. The first important detail is that the Advanced Trading series will have several volumes. The volume I'm releasing today is just the first of these volumes. Many months ago, I made a poll on YouTube asking if people would prefer if I released the course gradually or all at once. Most people prefer the gradual release. In that way, while the students master the current volume, I will produce the next one. Each volume will take around 2 to 3 months to produce. I estimate that the Advanced Trading series will have around 12 to 15 theoretical volumes, and then the practical volumes will begin. Notice how much more content this new series has in comparison to the price action series, which only has 1 theoretical volume and 2 practical volumes. So keep in mind that the Advanced Trading Course Vol.1 is just the first volume. It's not the full Advanced Trading series. The first volume I'm releasing today is an introduction to Fractal Trading. This first volume lays the necessary theoretical foundation for the understanding of chaos theory applied to the markets. The main premise here is that markets are chaotic, but chaos is not random like most people assume. It's a higher degree of order that requires certain tools to be unveiled. For this reason, it makes sense to understand the basics of the scientific fields that study the phenomenon of chaos if we want to truly master the behavior of price action. These scientific fields are nonlinear dynamics and fractal geometry. This composes 2 of the 3 sections of this first volume. The third section is about the fractal view of finance that emerges when we see the markets through the lens of chaos theory. The standard theory of finance is full of incorrect assumptions about how markets really work, but when we add the layers of nonlinear dynamics and fractal geometry, we can solve many of these incorrect assumptions. This is a necessary step for you to get on the right track and to access trading tools based on chaos theory that will be introduced in future volumes of the course. Just so you can have an idea of what to expect in relation to the Advanced Trading series, this first volume is about fractal trading. The second volume of the course will be about money management techniques and performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is what allows traders to know if their performance is a result from skill, luck, or a mixture of both. It also allows you to understand if your trading approach is in fact sustainable in the long term. The third volume will be about behavioral finance and neurofinance. Behavioral finance sheds light onto trading behavior from the point of view of psychology. Neurofinance sheds light onto trading behavior from the point of view of neuroscience. After these 3 volumes, the study of advanced technical analysis will in fact begin. So there will be 1 volume dedicated to each relevant subfield of technical analysis. For example, there will be 1 entire volume dedicated to momentum analysis, 1 entire volume just for the pitchfork, 1 entire volume just for volume analysis, 1 entire volume just for linear regression analysis, and many more. The idea is to go as deep as possible in each of these topics to create an unprecedented material. Going back to the first volume, there are a few changes in comparison to the past courses I released. Now the course will be hosted on a streaming platform called Teachable. Once you purchase the course, you'll be able to see the lessons online by using your login credentials. You are not going to be able to download the lessons. Now there are more payment options. Beyond PayPal, you can use your debit or credit cards through the Teachable Secure Payment Gateway. You must complete the lessons in order. Each lesson has a quiz with 4 questions, and you will be required to answer all of them correctly in order to access the next lesson. This has the goal of ensuring a better learning experience and protecting the content. The course has 32 lessons, so there is a total of 128 questions. Each lesson ranges from 3 to 9 minutes, so the content is heavy and straight to the point. Once you finish the whole course, you will get a certificate of completion with your name on it that you will be able to download. This is proof that you have mastered the course content. This is the table of contents of the Volume 1. In the first section, we have the basics of nonlinear dynamics, which will allow you to understand how chaos emerges from order and how order can be extracted out of chaos. This first section is very important because in future volumes, I will introduce a trading tool based on nonlinear dynamics that is perhaps better than the pitchfork. The second section is an introduction to fractal geometry. This is important because there will be other trading tools introduced in other volumes that will rely on the ideas presented in this section. This will also change the way you see the markets in a lot of different ways. The third section is about the fractal view of finance in contrast with the standard theory of finance. Once again, this is necessary theory for you to grasp concepts that will be presented in future volumes. Notice that this first volume doesn't have any actionable trading techniques or anything like that. It's just a necessary theory for you to move forward with the course. This first volume costs $198, and all the subsequent volumes will also be priced like that. Keep in mind that this Advanced Trading series is the result from 15 years of study and practice, so it's truly the best of what I have to offer at a small fraction of the price I had to pay in order to get it. If you wish to purchase the course, please go to the link in the video description. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or send me an email at support@fractalflowpro.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching and take care.